up, everybody? How am I looking? What up, everybody? This is Carlos with Texas Tint Masters, aka the Tint Whisperer, aka the Texas Squeegee, aka the Human Plotter. Today we got this Audi A4 and we're gonna be putting ceramic tint all around. Now, ceramic is the best tint, but before we do that, we're gonna be showing you with a ceramic tint difference by measuring the performance with the car as it is itself without any tint. We're gonna wrap it up with ceramic, windshield, sides, sunroof, everything. We're gonna come back, we're gonna measure the performance again and show you guys the performance difference. How you feel about that? Alright, so in order to be measuring the heat, we're going to be using this solar power meter, which measures the amount of solar energy, otherwise known as heat. This is a heat lamp since we don't have the sun in here. This is going to be the one that's going to be imitating the sun. We're going to be measuring the performance right here, so let's get to it. Alright, so right here is reading around, it's bouncing between 400 to 500 BTUs, which is a ton of heat coming through the glass. This has no tint on it. This is just factory glass straight out of the dealership. So why would you want to tint your windshield? Well, ironically, the glass that people usually do not tint is the biggest one in the car, which happens to be your windshield. Now, when you're driving in the sun and you have all that sun coming in, yeah, you have your AC cooling everything down if you have your side windows tinted. However, you got all this right here letting in that heat, heating up your dashboard, and then you get what's called radiant heat, heating it back up in the front. So there's always a constant battle between the AC and the heat coming in. So we just got done tinting this car with ceramic window film. Now we're gonna check the performance after it's been tinted to check to see what's the ceramic tint difference when you get it on your car versus like a regular tint or not having any tint at all. So on the front window, we measured the heat. The front window is hovering at around 50 to 60 compared to when it was before. It's a huge difference. It cuts the heat by a lot. Moving on forward to the windshield. Now the windshield right here, this is clear. You can completely see through it. It's totally transparent. However, the difference, tremendous. It's unbelievable how much heat this thing really blocks. Now you're gonna feel the difference, but you don't feel what you don't feel. So when you get in the car, a lot of times when you're driving, you just notice that you're not feeling the heat as much. Where you really feel the difference is when you get used to driving with a tinted ceramic windshield, get into a car that doesn't have it, and then all of a sudden you see, wow, you're gonna be burning up everywhere and your dash gets completely hot. This right here is keeping 99% of UV rays out, which is also protecting your dash from fading, because that's what causes the dashes to fade is over time is the UV rays, and also prevents it from cracking. So this is Carlos with Texas Tint Masters. We just tinted this entire Audi with ceramic window tint. If you want to get something like this done, please give us a call at 281-900-4484. Visit our website at texastintmasters.com. Now see you on the next one.